Hi, this is Kylie Priest. This is my Enhancement 6 video. I'm going to start showing here. I have my account link. I have not logged in yet. So I'll go ahead and I still have my account. I am going to go ahead and create an account here. Okay, and now I'm going to log in with that account. And now, as you can see, I have a logout instead of my account link. And the user level here is 1. I do not have the admin, the products link, sorry. So now I'll show, still have the logout here. Now I will go and show the logout process. Now I have my account again. I'm now logged out. So now I'm going to go ahead and log in to this admin account that has the client level of 3. And as you can see now, we have the product management button. Again, the logout option, now that we're logged in, logout option here, all of these pages work, logout here, okay, and let's see. Oh, I need to show the HTML validation, so let's go ahead and log in one more time. I'll just log back into this account. And we'll validate this admin page. Here we go. No errors. That's my Enhancement 6. Thanks so much.